Hello everyone. So over the last couple months I've been doing live and Zoom based classes. It's a class called Introduction to Algae, and it's about a 4 hour-ish class that has hands-on experiments. It has 3 experiments, and it's kind of this sort of thing where you get an algae sample and you have to try to identify it. Well, I'm going to take that class and I'm actually going to be uploading it here on YouTube on April 15th, and you can actually watch a class for free if you'd like, or you can actually order a kit, this kit right here, and you can use that kit to actually work along with the class as well and do the experiments hands-on. And this is great for homeschoolers, anyone in middle school or high school, or even adults who just want to participate in this class. I'll be uploading it on the 15th, and if you order this kit, it will ship out the 15th. Also, if this is after the 15th, you can actually just order it whenever, and we'll ship it out the first Friday after you order it. And then once you get it, you can go to the video and watch the class and do the experiments along with the class. If you want to pre-order the kit for the class, you can go to the link below, and then as soon as it's uploaded on the 15th, you'll receive a link, and you can go and you can watch you can watch the class and follow along with the class. So thank you.